Today we're exploring the revolutionary advancements in agricultural technology in 2024. Join us as we uncover how these innovations are reshaping the farming industry and paving the way for a sustainable future. Let's begin with precision agriculture. T24 has seen a surge in technologies like GPS field mapping, soil health sensors, and climate forecasting tools. These innovations allow farmers to optimize their land use, reduce waste, and enhance crop yields, all while conserving resources. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing a pivotal role in modern farming. AI-driven algorithms analyze data from various sources, providing insights for better crop management, pest control, and harvest predictions. This technology ensures that farming decisions are data-driven and precise. Drones have taken to the skies above farms, revolutionizing crop monitoring and management. These unmanned aerial vehicles conduct aerial surveys, apply pesticides, and even water crops with remarkable precision, saving time and reducing labor costs. Robots are no longer just a vision of the future. They're a reality in the 2024 agricultural landscape. From autonomous tractors to robotic harvesters, these machines are performing labor-intensive tasks, increasing efficiency, and reducing the need for manual labor. Sustainable farming technologies are at the forefront in 2024. Solar-powered irrigation systems, biodegradable mulches, and organic pest control methods are helping farmers reduce their environmental impact while maintaining high productivity. Vertical farming is changing the concept of farming spaces. Urban areas now host multi-story farms, utilizing hydroponic systems and artificial lighting to grow crops. This method not only saves space, but also brings food production closer to urban consumers. Farm management software has become more sophisticated. These platforms integrate various aspects of farm operations, from financial management to livestock tracking, providing farmers with a holistic view of their farm's performance. Hydroponic systems are gaining popularity for their water efficiency and ability to grow crops without soil. These systems, often combined with controlled environment agriculture, allow for year-round cultivation, independent of external climate conditions. Lastly, climate-smart agriculture is addressing the challenges posed by climate change. Techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, and agroforestry are being employed to enhance soil health, improve biodiversity, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In 2024, technology in agriculture is not just about increasing efficiency, it's about creating sustainable, resilient food systems capable of feeding the growing global population. The future of farming is here, and it's smarter, greener, and more innovative than ever before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Initiant for more updates on how technology is transforming our world.